But in all seriousness, I actually really do want to see Ready Player One. It's gonna be an awesome movie. It's actually pretty cool to see, to have these things, sort of in my possession. They're not obviously the real keys. They're just vinyl collectibles. So, but these are pretty cool to have as sort of like a souvenir or something like that. I don't know. They look pretty cool. That's why I bought them. And to prepare for my excitement for the Ready Player One, comes out March 29th. It's in 2 weeks from now. So I'll see you guys another time. Peace. Yeah. I dropped one of them. Dang it. I got my 3 keys. Now where's the damn egg? Give me my $1 trillion. I need my money. I'm not funny.